Hello, my beautiful people. Greetings to you all. Today, travel with me. Let's go to Ghana. We are making one of their popular snacks, which is this Puf-Puf that you are seeing. Oh, this one is super delicious. I'm using all-purpose flour. And feel free to share the measurement in my description box. Everything will be right there when you are making yours. Once I am done with the all the purpose flour, I'll go in with my salt, active yeast, chocolate, vanilla extra, the next is this warm water. When you are adding your water, make sure you add it bit by bit to avoid it over liquid. Can you see that I'm adding for the second time? So I will just go in and roll it just like what you are seeing. So mix it until it's perfectly combined. So once you see that the texture is now okay, you are ready to go. Can you see how the lightness looks like? So this one is a perfect mixture. So you can also use your hands to do this if you don't want to use whisk or a wooden spoon. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are wonderful. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. And you that is always liking, sharing, and your beautiful comment. In fact, I throw away high five. Thank you. May my God and our God bless you all for me in Jesus' name. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead, turn the notification bell so that you'll be a part of this humble family. The only way you can get a lot of our new video is only when you turn your notification bell. I will leave it for 40 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, can you see it has already formed bubbles? At this point, I have started preheating my oil. So once you are frying, make sure you start with a low heat. So to bring the bubbles down, I would make sure you have a warm water by your side that you are going to be dipping your hands. So to bring the bubbles down, this is just what you need to do. So I will just go ahead and scoop it inside the oil. So I'm going to repeat this again and again and again until I am done. Guys, make sure you repeat this recipe. In fact, although this one was not really much, before my kids wake up, I almost finished it. We all will love it in my home because it's really so yummy. Just give it a try. I know you will love it. You might even love it more than I do. I was like trying to hold my mouth. Oh my God, it's uncontrollable, man. The taste is just elele. You just come and see. It tastes good. Until you give it a try, you might not really understand what I am trying to say. So this is how I'm going to be stirring it until it becomes a golden brown. I'm still working with a medium heat. So after a while, I will now turn it to a medium heat. Once I see that the color has already changed, before it will become dry or brown, fully brown, I will now use a high heat to avoid it from soaking oil. Can you see making this a lovely snack is really fast? And there is kind of unique taste that this chocolate Puf-Puf have. Guys, I must tell you the truth, when you are eating it, oh my God, You might not know when you are going to finish what you are doing. I almost finished it alone, just alone, because it's super yummy. Guys, can you see how it looks like? So beautiful. So beautiful, guys. So once you are just done, you just go ahead and enjoy it with anything that you just think is comfortable for you. Can you see how soft? Oh my God. See inside of it. See how it looks like. At this point, my camera is not too bright enough here. I hope you can still see it. So if you watch all to this point, you are wonderful. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you. Please help me to share the video, leave a comment, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Help your sister, give it a big thumbs up. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.